it like that earlier. I'm happy they're doing it right here. Yeah, so maybe you should watch it because that's not what they were doing.
He's their safety. That's what he's here for. So.
That's MVP's inspector.
Yeah. No conflict then.
You work for MVP also?
I'm a contractor just like everybody else. I work for EQT. Okay, so we're hired by EQT for exactly this. So I can come out and talk with you guys and we can try to work it out.
You're staying here in Elliston now, right?
No, I'm in Roanoke.
I thought I cleaned a house over there and they said that the guy that comes around and does the smooth talking is renting the house from me. So I was thinking that was, you seem like you do the smooth talking.
No. I'm actually the head of security for the state of Virginia for the pipeline.
But what's the company you work for?
Global Security.
Global.
I'm not that guy. I'm not afraid to tell anybody who I am.
No, I don't think anybody should. I mean, it doesn't take... I am local. Like, this is my home. This is my
My phone number's right on there. My business cards to Myra and everybody else. Yeah, Mara, yeah.
So when you're talking about with the flooding, you're not concerned about flooding in that area?
No.
Like it's a wetland, it's like, you know, it's a flooded wetland. I'm just letting you know that like we're recording this. I don't know how much that costs y'all in terms of it being a violation, but it just seems like a bad idea. Like I know if it was my land and I was cutting my own trees, you know, I wouldn't do that.
So what I do is, for me, I infer and refer with the inspector.
Sure.
And if he tells me they're good, then they're good.
What is that inspector's name?
I can't give you that. I'm not going to give you that. That'd be up to him. I don't give out people's. I give out my name.
So like that tree, for instance, are they felling that? Is that going to fall that way or that way?
Which one?
This is a big old pine tree. They just wobbled a lot. It looked like they were maybe messing with it.
I don't know. They'll probably fell it across the road, depending on its height.
Okay. See, because my concern is like when some of these trees are getting pretty tall, like I mean that one's probably one of the taller ones on this side. If it falls this way, it's unlikely, but there's a chance that it hits that line, you know what I mean?
Or hits another tree and makes that tree fall because you know how much rain we've had here.
Sure, yeah, the trees are not like
weeks.
secure. I mean, we saw a bunch of them fall in the storms.
I live on a road like this.
I came out before the storms and told y'all.
No, I know, yeah. We understood.
All right, so I'm going to back up a little bit. I'll sit right here with them. And
cool. Yeah.
Right.
Just let us know if there's any trouble. Like, we don't want to be in an unsafe place. We just also are concerned about the safety of our friend.
And I'm not knocking that. You have a right to be. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and we'll do everything today to make sure that everybody's comfortable. But I imagine at some point in time, there's going to be some uncomfort level on both sides. So. You know what I mean? And we'll back up and we'll address it. Yeah, absolutely. All right, let me back up here.
Yeah.
And